How to edit PDF files on your mobile for free. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about PDF files and how you can edit them on your mobile device for free. So firstly, let's talk about PDF files in itself. So if I want to go ahead and edit a PDF file, this is what it's going to look like, right? So the basic edit that you can do on your iPhone through the basic editor is just adding, signatures or, adding different colors into it. That's the most you can do. But let's say I want to edit it properly. So for this, we're going to use an application called PDF7, which is a totally free application that you can pick up on the Apple App Store. So once you get it, it shouldn't take a lot of time to load up. It's totally free. That's the best part about it. And once this is done, you're simply going to click on continue. And once we have done all of this, it's going to give you a plan here to use. So you can go ahead and access the plan. I'm simply going to get straight into it. So from here, what's going to happen is you can either go ahead and create a PDF or just edit a PDF that is already there. So let's say we have this specific PDF over here. Okay, now this is a PDF that I want to edit. So here we have the PDF editorials opened up just like this. Now, once it is opened up, to edit it, there are different things you can do. Add in certain texts for yourself, however you want to. Then we have, these underlining options over here. So as you can see, I can underline specific things. Then moving on, let's say I want to go ahead and change more things in the annotation. So I'm going to go ahead and switch that to something else. Okay, so let's say I want to go over to edit. Let's go to text. You can basically add any type of consistent text that you want to into the basic, working of it. You can also go ahead and add different types of, signatures like this for yourself, add in different scribbles, highlight certain things. And moving on, you can also go ahead and erase different things. You can also tap to add text in any certain region that you want to edit that text appropriately for yourself. And then moving on, what you can do to edit it even further on is add certain images if you want to. Then you can also go ahead and edit the text inside of it. Now for these things, obviously you are going to need the upper plans for PDF7, but once you've gotten an idea of all of this, that is basically how you're going to be editing a PDF in your iPhone. So thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. I will see you all next time. Goodbye.